So I don't like really making all the long, super stupid long videos. So today, I'm gonna unbox. Cause I supposed to did this already for Christmas. I'm gonna unbox. My French Blue 2016 Retro 12s that I paid. Well, my girl. So this is like highly recommended for my Christmas list. So this is like the only thing I really needed. She got me a ton of other stuff, but so French Blue 12, man, 2016, StockX verified. Everybody got a problem with StockX. I get my shoes from StockX. I have not had a problem with my shoes from StockX. You feel me? I'm taking these within the next couple days. I'm gonna take them out and wear them. I got them authenticated already. So with that being said, they're real. You ain't gotta worry about them being fake. Anytime you get them, if they fake, you can send them back. StockX will give you your bread back. But so yeah, unboxing, you know, everything thorough. I'm gonna do a video on authentication probably tomorrow, so everybody can see why, how I know, and you know, ways to find out if yours are really real coming from StockX too. So like, comment, subscribe, man. Noski Music. Let me know what y'all want to see more. I'm gonna unbox some Christian Louboutins. I'm gonna unbox a few retro Jordans for y'all, just so y'all can see. Y'all might have them, y'all might not. I got some footage coming for some car equipment that my girl got me. I got some drone footage coming. I'm learning how to fly a drone right now. I'm gonna use that and incorporate that in my YouTubes. But man, y'all know what's going on. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Noski Music.